Hello viewers, again welcome. Today we dive into the world of very beautiful, very amazing artistic felt fabric artistic and beautiful Xmas tree designs. This is the Xmas tree. So we gives you the creative ideas and beautiful designs for everyone who wants to make different types of creativity in this holiday season. We are giving you the cozy holiday craft project that's fun, affordable, and absolutely magical decorating and felt fabric Xmas tree. If you are searching for a way to bring warmth and creativity to your home this holiday season, this video gives you a plenty of inspiration. Felt fabric is the soft to cut, available in every color and perfect for beginners as well as seasoned crafter. By the end, you will have charming handmade decoration that can brighten your living room, your kids' room, or even make thoughtful handmade gifts. Let's start with the basic to make your felt fabric Xmas tree. You will need different shades of green felt fabric, light green, dark green, and maybe even some glittery felt, cardboard or thick paper for support, scissor glue or a hot glue gun, decorative extra tiny pom-poms, buttons, sequins, ribbons or even beads, a little creativity and holiday cheer. Cutting the felt into triangular shapes is the first step. You can go glass thick with simple triangles or layer them to create fluffy 3D. Don't worry about perfection. Handmade charm is what makes these trees special. One way project is to create mini tabletop trees. Cut trees identical triangles from felt. Glue them onto a cardboard triangle for sturdiness and decorate them with sequins or ribbon. Add a small wooden stick or pop stick as a trunk and place it into a small pot, jar, lid or cork base. These little trees look adorable on desks, shelves or as part of your dinner table centerpiece. Next, let's try hanging felt ornaments. Cut small tree shapes from felt, stitch two layers together or lightly stuff them with cotton or leftover fabric scraps. For a 3D look, before closing the edges, insert a loop of ribbon so you can hang it on your Xmas tree, and tiny embellishments like buttons for ornaments or even embroidered snowflakes with simple white thread. These soft felt ornaments are safe for kids, pets, and will last a year if stored carefully. Now, let's talk about felt fabric opens the door to endless variations. Layers different shades of green felt in a strip to make ruffled Xmas trees. Use patterned felt, plaid, or polka dots for a modern twist, and jute twine or rustic wooden beads to create farmhouse style trees. Try making colorful non-traditional trees in red, white or even pastel pink for a whimsical theme. You can even create a full felt garland with mini trees connected by string, perfect for hanging across a fireplace or window. And there you have it, simple yet beautiful felt fabric Xmas tree decoration that add a handmade touch to your holiday. Whether you make mini tabletop trees, soft hanging ornaments or even a garland, these perfect for fun, relaxing and a great way to involve kids and family into a holiday prep. So gather your felt, Caesar and imagination and let's make this Xmas extra special with handmade love. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more cozy craft ideas.